Hi guys! Welcome to our MoneyExp YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 dropshipping suppliers, so make sure to watch the full video. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. What are the best dropshipping suppliers? 1. AliExpress. 2. Alibaba. 3. SaleHoo. 4. Worldwide brands. 5. Doba. If you already know the product or dropshipping niche you want to sell, with a bit of digging and the techniques discussed above, you should be able to find the major wholesalers that offer dropshipping in your market. Plus, once you start a dropshipping business, you likely won't need to revisit the directory unless you need to find suppliers for other products. 1. AliExpress. AliExpress is an international wholesale and dropshipping platform that connects e-commerce platforms to dropshipping providers and products. The majority of merchants selling through AliExpress are based in China and source their products from the region. It's open to people around the world for free. Locations and shipping information. AliExpress ships to 254 countries around the world, including the US. Packages sent with standard shipping can take between 15 and 45 working days to arrive. If you pay for premium shipping, the estimated delivery time is between 7 and 15 working days. Product types. There are over 100 million products on AliExpress in categories such as fashion, toys, consumer electronics, skincare products, jewelry, furniture, and even cars and motorcycles. Recommended for both beginners and veteran dropshippers can use AliExpress to find trending products, do market research, build relationships with vendors, and order wholesale. 2. Alibaba. Alibaba is a B2B marketplace that connects buyers and sellers. The platform is more for wholesalers than single sellers and facilitates transactions directly with manufacturers. Suppliers provide bulk items and can fulfill orders for your dropshipping store. Locations and shipping information. Alibaba dropshipping can take time, depending on where you live. You can expect to wait up to 6 weeks for deliveries. To cut back on costs, you can choose to ship by freight or air. However, you should do your research and plan accordingly. Product types. Alibaba has more than 2.8 million suppliers and more than 5,900 categories. Recommended for advanced dropshippers who prefer private label manufacturing and want to buy bulk goods at the distribution level to sell as consumer items. 3. SaleHoo. The SaleHoo supplier directory lists more than 8,000 wholesalers that offer dropshipping and seems to cater heavily to merchants using eBay and Amazon dropshipping. Although we've never used SaleHoo to source products, its $67 annual price is one of the most compelling values among supplier directories and includes a 60-day money-back guarantee. Locations and shipping information. SaleHoo serves the US, UK, and Australian markets. Product types. SaleHoo's inventory source is AliExpress. You can find pre-vetted dropshipping providers from a variety of trending and profitable niches. Then import items directly to your Shopify store. Recommended for if you're comfortable paying an annual membership or only need to use a directory and research tool temporarily, SaleHoo might be worth a look. 4. Worldwide brands. Worldwide Brands, established in 1999, is one of the oldest and best-known supplier directories. It advertises that it only includes suppliers that meet a set of guidelines, ensuring legitimate quality wholesalers. We've used the vendor dropshipping directory in the past to find legitimate wholesalers and to brainstorm niche ideas, and found it useful. Location and shipping options. Worldwide Brands serves retailers around the world. The company is a supplier directory, so shipping costs and locations depend on the dropshipping wholesale supplier you find through the platform. Product types. Though the directory is missing some vendors for dropshipping we've worked with, it does include a large wholesale dropshippers list of legitimate options. There are over 16 million certified wholesale products to choose from in niches like pet supplies, jewelry and watches, consumer electronics, home decor, apparel, and more. Recommended for if you want lifetime access to a quality wholesale supplier directory and are comfortable with a larger one-time payment. Worldwide Brands is a safe bet. 5. Doba. Instead of simply listing dropshipping vendors, Doba integrates with suppliers, hence why it only has 165 suppliers, allowing you to place orders with multiple warehouses using its centralized interface. Membership also includes a push-to-marketplace tool that automates the process of listing items on eBay. Doba's centralized system offers more convenience than the other dropshipping websites, which we imagine is why the $60 per month fee is significantly higher than other directories. If you place a high value on convenience and can find the products you want among their suppliers, Doba's interface may be worth the cost. Locations and shipping information. Ships globally. Rates depend on individual dropshipping wholesalers and the prices you set. Product types. Over 2 million products with decent profit margins. Recommended for if you can identify quality product suppliers for dropshipping on your own and don't mind working with them directly, you'll be able to save around $700 per year. If there are only a few key suppliers in your niche, reducing the number of parties you have to coordinate with, Doba may be the way to go. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.